Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VUZI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Crazy movement today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first key level of support, and I don't want to call this a do or die level, but in my opinion, it's a very important level, is right here at $2.50. Why is $2.50 important? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but just kind of to explain myself better. If the price were to go back down to $2.50 and then break down below it, at that point in time, from a very literal perspective, I mean, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range of the chart that it just broke out of today. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength. Whereas if the price were to come down there, behave in this manner, and then start to work its way back upwards, at least at that point in time, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have those lows there. You'd have a low down there. And if you envision each of those as stair steps, well, at least you got stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what you want to see. You want to see progress being made forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as $2.50. So if the level can hold above there, though, and then the price starts to turn itself around and work its way back upwards, let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. Initial area of resistance to keep an eye on, going to be right up there around the $2.65 mark. And if there can be a nice high volume break of 265, not saying the price is shooting straight up there, but there's definitely some room to run as the next key overarching level, not up until right around $2.80. So 265 and 280, next couple of key levels of resistance. But really, in my opinion, right now at least, top priority is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is just trying to go through some sort of healthy consolidation and chip away and build a higher base. Because again, you don't want to see the price going back to where it was, and that's what that $2.50 mark represents. So let's see if the price can stay up above it or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.